April's slipping away, Zone 5 gardeners. If you haven't planted these 7 super easy vegetables yet, you're missing nature's easiest harvest. One grows in just 30 days. Another regrows from kitchen scraps. And they all thrive in our unpredictable spring weather. No greenhouse, no experience, no problem. I've tested every variety, and today I'm sharing only the most foolproof picks that gave me bumper crops year after year. Grab your seed packets, let's get growing. If you're in Zone 5 watching this in April, congratulations, you're right in the perfect planting window. This is that magical time when the soil is warm enough but still cool, exactly what these cold, hardy vegetables love. I've been gardening in Zone 5 for over a decade, and these 7 vegetables have never let me down, even when spring threw us curveballs. Whether you have acres or just a balcony, these crops deliver the biggest rewards for the least work. Stick around because veggie number 5 is so productive, you'll be giving harvests to neighbors. Vegetable 1, radishes. Let's start with the fastest vegetable on earth, radishes. Cherry Belle is my go-to variety because they're ready in just 30 days, stay crisp, and never get woody. Here's exactly how to grow them. Scatter seeds inch deep and 1 inch apart in any soil. They're not picky. Keep them watered, and in 3 weeks, you'll see plump red globes peeking out. Pro tip: plant a new batch every 2 weeks until late May for continuous harvests. And here's the key: harvest them the moment they're mature, because if you wait too long, they turn pithy. Vegetable 2, spinach. Next up, spinach, the cold, hardy, super green. Bloomsdale Longstanding is my champion variety because those crinkled, dark green leaves stay sweet through temperature swings. Plant seeds inch deep in rows 12 inches apart. You'll see sprouts in 7-10 days and can start harvesting baby leaves in just 35 days. Here's a game changer: pick the outer leaves regularly and shade the plants when summer heat arrives. This one trick keeps them producing instead of bolting. Vegetable 3, carrots. Now let's bust a myth. Carrots are not hard to grow. Nantes variety grows straight and sweet every time in our Zone 5 soil. The secret? Loosen your soil 12 inches deep and remove stones. Plant seeds inch deep, keep the soil moist, and be patient. They take about 14 days to sprout. Thin them to 2 inches apart when they're small, and you'll harvest perfect carrots in about 60 days. Pro tip: mix in radish seeds. They'll mark the row and loosen soil for your carrots. Vegetable 4, lettuce. Want salad greens all season from one planting? Meet black-seeded Simpson lettuce. Scatter seeds inch deep, no perfect rows needed. They sprout in 7-10 days, and you can start harvesting in just 30 days. Here's the magic: use the cut and come again method. Snip leaves 1 inch above the base, and they'll regrow 3-4 times. For hot weather, switch to Butter Crunch. Its thick leaves resist bolting. Just give them afternoon shade when temperatures rise. Vegetable 5, peas. Nothing says spring like sugar snap peas. Plant these cold, hardy champions 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart as soon as you can work the soil. They'll laugh at light frosts and climb any trellis you give them. Pick pods every other day. When they plump up, the more you pick, the more they produce. Bonus: peas are garden superheroes. Their roots actually fertilize your soil with nitrogen. When they finish producing, chop the plants into the soil as natural fertilizer. Vegetable 6, kale. Meet the unkillable superfood lacinato kale. Those gorgeous blue-green leaves get sweeter after frost and keep producing for months. Plant seeds inch deep in April. Space plants 18 inches apart, and you'll harvest tender leaves in 50 days. Just pick the lower leaves and the plant keeps growing taller. Here's the best part: after the summer heat passes, your kale rebounds with even sweeter fall leaves. It thrives on neglect. Poor soil and less water actually make it happier. Vegetable 7, green onions. Finally, the easiest vegetable of all, green onions. You can grow these from grocery store scraps. Just plant the white root ends 1 inch deep in any container. They'll regrow in 2 weeks. For seeds, try evergreen hardy white. Plant them inch apart and you'll have scallions in 60 days. The magic? Use the cut and come again method all season. They're perfect between slower growing veggies and can even move indoors for winter harvests. Wait, before you plant those onions, 90% of beginners make this seed starting mistake that ruins their crops. It's not bad seeds, it's planting them too deep or drowning them. For small seeds like lettuce and carrots, just press them gently into damp soil, no burying needed. Always water with a spray bottle until the seedlings are strong. Stick around for my $1 soil trick that makes seeds sprout twice as fast. Here are my top Zone 5 success secrets. First, warm your soil by laying black plastic over beds for 3-5 sunny days. It gives you a 10F head start. For planting depth, remember, twice as deep as the seed is wide. Always mark rows with popsicle sticks. Never flood seeds, use a spray bottle instead. Try the pot in pot method for containers. Bury empty pots, then drop nursery pots inside for easy rotation. And my golden rule, keep a garden journal. Record what works, and next year you'll be steps ahead. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now which veggie excites you most. The 30-day radishes? The endless Kyle? I read every comment and love seeing your progress. If this helped, do me a favor, hit that like button to help more Zone 5 gardeners find this guide. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week I'm revealing how to grow tomatoes that ripen weeks early in our short season. Grab your free Zone 5 planting calendar from the description. Now get out there and plant something amazing. Your future harvest starts today. Want more Zone 5 success? Watch next to discover 5 must-grow flowers that protect your vegetables and boost harvests. Click the video that is appearing now or check the description. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly Zone 5 gardening tips. Happy planting!